So my name is Gareth Clark. I'm the project manager for Cambridge Sensoriis. For Project Alias, we've tested our ARC radar integrated onto the Skydrone's X700, which is here to my left. We've got the ARC radar, secondary radar on the drone. We had an ARC primary radar on the ground. We were able to test different angular and range and the resolution in different settings. We're very happy with capturing the data. We now will go away, look at obviously improving the angular resolution and accuracy, and look at extending the range within ARC. Thank you very much to Kirill and the Skydrones team today for hosting us, and thank you to Project Alias.
We were delighted to have the team of Cambridge Sensoriis here at our flight test field through the flight testing with the X700 airframe with mounted IANS RC radar, another secondary radar which was on the ground. So we were delighted to collect some very useful data which will be used for post-flight analysis, and after that we'll decide on the next step of further integrations. So many thanks Team Cambridge Sensoriis for coming here today. We're looking forward to seeing you next time, basically anytime. Thank you. See you in the next videos.